Hi guys, now we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to adjust clips on TikTok. Adjust clips, it means that we will cut them and we will choose a new duration for each of the clips. So first and foremost, I need to say that we have iPhones with the same TikTok's versions, but with different adjust clip settings, which is very interesting, and we will show you different options to manage your clips, to choose one you really want to use, you have on your phones, to know how to work with these customizations. So let's go to our TikTok applications. I will do the same settings on two phones at the same time. So now we are on our profile pages. So let's tap on the plus icon to start new video recording. Click on it one time. I will create videos with two clips. So the first one, I'm so sorry, I need to switch to the 3 minutes mode. And to start. 1, 2, 3 in the first, and the second one. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, 6 seconds. So let's tap on the check mark to save our video. And right now we have different menu. As you can see, here we have an option to adjust our clips here at the top. And here in the center of the screen we have adjust clips option 2. So let's start with the customization on the first phone. I will choose this adjust clips option. And as you can check, we have different sections for our clips. So let's tap on the first one to adjust the first clip. To adjust this duration, this video duration, I need to drag the red line to the right side or to the left side to decrease or increase its duration. So I will cut my clip in this way. I will cut it in this way. To save my changes, these changes, I need to tap on the check mark at the bottom of the screen. And I want to edit the second clip too. So I drag the lines to make this video shorter. Let's tap on the check mark again. And I can check the result, but of course we have the same image, so it will be hard to check. But we can see that our duration is really shorter, and now not 6 seconds, but only 4. To save our changes, let's tap on the save button at the top of the screen. And perfect, we have edited clips. But what about the next version, the next options? So I will choose the adjust clips section 2. And as you can see, we have 2 clips on the one line located, the first one and the second one. And I'm also at the edited menu. To go back, I need to tap on the arrow. As you can see, we have different options to sound sync, to edit, to add sound, to add text, etc. But I will manage the second one, the edit section. So to change the duration of the selected clip, I need to drag the white splitted line to the left or right side. Of course, the left side, for example, to decrease duration, and right now to the right side to increase it. In the same way how I did on these icons, on this app's version. So I will make my video shorter, definitely shorter. This is the first clip, and the second one, I pressed on it, and I need to drag this splitted line too, to make it shorter too. So as you can see, now my video is really shorter, only 3 seconds, not 6. So to save these changes, I need to tap on the save button at the top of the screen. and we cannot to find out changes because we have only one image, but you understand, I hope, how to work with each of the customizations. I hope you understand the difference. It's really not complicated. Everything is similar, so I think you won't have any problems with adjust. To save our videos, we need to tap on the next button. As you can see, we have this menu too different. For example, in this version, I have an option to post to the story too. But okay, now we tap on the next button. Of course, don't forget about drafts key or post to add our new shooted video to the page. So guys, don't forget about likes, don't forget about subscribers button you can find below. Thanks, bye bye.